Can you solve the SAT problem? Drop the answer in the comments below and let me know. Let's go. So in the given equation, b is a constant. Which of the following values of b equation have more than one real solution? So the concept is, in quadratic equations of form ax squared plus bx plus c, the coefficients being a, b, and c, the discriminant, or b squared minus 4ac, which you will remember from the quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the discriminant under the square root. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then there are two real solutions. Okay? If the discriminant is equal to 0, there is one real solution, and if it is less than 0, there are no real solutions, only imaginary solutions. Okay? So remembering that concept, let's go ahead and see if we can solve this. So step one is going to be, let's go ahead and write our quadratic equation down, and then basically what we have, we're going to use the b squared minus 4ac discriminant. So b squared minus 4ac, now a is 64, c is 25. So just go ahead and write that, substitute those, b squared minus 4a 64, c is 25. So it needs to be greater than 0 to have two real solutions. So basically we have, when I multiply all these together, I'm going to get 6400 is greater than 0. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this and bring it to the other side, or add 6400 to both sides, same thing. And now we have b squared is greater than 6400. So now when we take square root on both sides, the square root of that, square root of 6400, so 80 plus minus 80. Okay, so plus is b is greater than 80, or when you do a negative 80, you have to flip the sign. Okay, so when you took the square root, you got plus minus square root of 6400, so 80, greater than 80, or less than negative 80. So quickly we can see greater than 80, we can cancel these last two choices. And we can also cancel b, because b is equal to 80, not less than 80. So the only answer choice that is less than 80 is negative 91. So that is the correct choice we are going to select. Also, just quickly notice that b squared minus 4ac, in order for this to be positive, the b squared has to be greater than 6400, which we calculated the 4ac to be 6400. So that's only possible if negative 91 is the right answer, because negative 91 squared is going to be a number large enough to keep this whole thing positive. All right, hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.